Philadelphia Flower Show.
The theme this year is Riviera Holiday. We're standing in front of what we suspect will be one of the most popular exhibits of this year's show.
It's my favorite. You know I love royals, right? It's the Princess Grace Rose Garden.
And it's a tribute to Grace Kelly's Philadelphia roots.
The Princess Grace Rose Garden is a feast for the senses.
Roses, 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 and more roses, in all shades of pink.
There are beds of rose plants and fresh cut flowers, over 3,000 stems.
So the fragrance is going to be intoxicating.
You'll see the Grimaldi family rose and a new rose named for Princess Charlene.
The Princess Charlene rose is so beautiful. It's a pale pink, fragrant, lots of petals. People will love that.
Renee Tucci is designing the exhibit.
And it's such a beautiful variety.
It's a small-scale replica of a garden in Monaco on the coast of the Mediterranean that Prince Rainier created to honor his wife.
The garden in Monaco sits on 9 acres of land and over 4,000 varieties of roses.
It's a celebration of the lifelong passion Princess Grace had for flowers.
There's a story where she and her sister used to cut flowers from her neighbors' gardens and then the next morning set up a little flower stand, and then unknowingly her neighbors would buy back the flowers from their own yards.
Growing up here in Philadelphia, she attended the flower show throughout her life and loved it.
In 1976, she was invited to be a judge at the flower show.
And in fact, it is because of Philadelphia Flower Show that she decided to create her own garden club in Monaco.
And she developed a talent for pressed flower art, which you'll see in the Rose Garden.
Some of her flower pressing was sold in galleries in France.
She had a real keen eye to choose products that dried perfectly and worked really well together.
But the real wow factor of the exhibit is the centerpiece, an exact replica of Princess Grace's wedding dress.
That dress is the most visible thing in the exhibit so that folks can get a photo of it from all angles.
Maybe it'll bring out the inner princess in all this.
Princess Grace would gather the flowers for pressing on her travels around the world.
And if you explore the design gallery here, you'll see people using flowers as a medium for all kinds of art.
Yeah, we found a mother-daughter duo who've made flower pressing a family affair. As the wife of a nurseryman, Theresa Phillips always knew she had a love for flowers.
Yes, I need some nice flowers.
But it was a trip with her husband to the Philadelphia Flower Show more than half a century ago that unleashed her true passion of pressed flower art.
We went past this exhibit of pressed flowers. He says, you can do that. And so I said, So I started trying.
Now in her 50th year as an exhibitor in the flower show, Theresa is once again ready to wow the judges with her skills and technique.
That's right.
She says she draws her inspiration from family.
I have a picture I always wanted to do of the grandchildren. Aren't they so cute?
While Theresa works on her masterpiece,
Right.
her daughter Mary, a frequent flower show exhibitor, helps to mold a group of talented young artists.
We will work on a picture on your own. They are in the youth category, and it is Day at the Beach, a snapshot, and featuring a beach umbrella.
Mary is an art teacher at the Vanguard School in Malvern, a school for special needs children.
I actually have been entering with my students for quite some time.
9 of her students are showing their work in this year's show.
This is my 3rd year being able to exhibit in the flower show.
It's always great to see them up against other children their age.
No, I like the way that I can express the way I feel doing this.
Nice to see them win awards.
And to be able to exhibit your art for millions of people to go see, it's just amazing.
The mom and daughter artists say pressing flowers is a great form of expression.
And here's this one.
But most importantly, they say it's helped them create an unbreakable bond they will cherish for a lifetime.
Oh, I just love it.
You'll find the pressed plants exhibit in the far right corner of the exhibition hall.
And while you're there, be sure to check out the floral photography and jewelry made with flower.
The miniature settings are back there as well, and always one of the most popular attractions of the show.
There's a whole new home gardening hub this year.